Today I wanted to talk about what is it that actually heals the body. Now, sometimes you'll see on YouTube or somewhere else the 5 foods that prevent diabetes or the 5 foods that cure arthritis. And some of those 5 foods may be good for a person suffering with arthritis or with diabetes, but many times they include foods that should not be there, okay? One of the big ones is fish oils and things like that. You'll see, for arthritis, take fish oils, like the oil in fish is going to lubricate your joints. It's simply not going to happen. So what is it that actually heals the body? And when you're thinking that mentality of, okay, I need blueberries to heal my arthritis, or I need acai berries or goji berries or some other superfood, those are not the things that heal your body. Now, you know that I advocate a wide variety. Get all the colors from the plant-based kingdom that you can get. That's what you want. You want a wide variety of plant-based, whole, ripe food. Okay, so that's the key to eating. You don't have to think specific foods. Just eat a wide variety. It's not 1 or 5 or 10 or whatever particular foods that you need for a certain disease. You need all the plants in a plant-based diet that's going to help you. You need that wide variety. That way you're going to get all the nutrients that you need. And when you think that way, see, it's typical of the way, the medical approach goes, really, because when you get a disease, they want to, prescribe a certain drug. Or even alternative care people will say, okay, you need a certain herb. But, that's, it may be helpful. Let's say that drug does help alleviate some symptoms. And herbs, of course, are better than drugs. So, it's more natural and it can have a much, much better effect. And I've used herbs from time to time when I have a certain problem. But most of the time, certainly you don't need drugs. Secondly, you shouldn't need herbs either. Okay, so because if you're eating a wide variety, you're getting all the colors in the plant-based kingdom, you're getting all the nutrients you need. And the true healer, the thing that really cures your disease, is your own body. Your body has an amazing immune system that goes into action. And once you stop pummeling your body with an overload of too much protein, too much fat, which are in animal-based foods, now your body finally has the energy to go to certain areas, to go to the shoulders, the knees, the hips, wherever you're experiencing pain or whatever your problem is, whether it's diabetes, heart disease, or cancer. Once you eliminate too much protein and too much fat and you get on a plant-based diet, your body now has the energy. So if it's not the foods that are healing you, it's the body that's healing you. Why now does the body have the energy? Because it's not expending so much energy to digest all these high protein and high fat foods. They take a tremendous amount of energy to digest, just to digest and eliminate. So you're saving your body so much energy that it can now use to start cleaning house and to start healing. So that's the key. Hey, if you want 3 of my best digital courses, please check for my email in the description box, and I will send you those 3 courses. Just send me an email and say, I'm ready. Then I know that you're committed to being the best you can and transitioning to a more healthful, vegan, plant-based diet. So send me that email. I'll send you 3 of my best programs, which include a 96-page ebook that will give you the mindset that you want for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and 96 pages of recipes, dressings, and desserts. Please give me a like, a thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel. Share it with your friends, especially those that are looking to transition to a healthier lifestyle.